Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about Terraform iterators. So the iterator argument are optional, okay, it's not mandatory. Set the name of iterator, set the name of temporary variable that represent the current element of the complex value if omitted. The name of the variable default to be the label of the dynamic block in grace. Okay, so suppose we have one dynamic block and we are creating one security group and we are whitelisting the specified and required port using the dynamic block in the security group. Okay, so here instead of like defining the value from dynamic in grace dot value, okay, what we can do, we can use the iterator and we can define the value of the port is equal to port dot value. Okay, so let's go and see it practically. So as we have seen, okay, we are creating security group and we are whitelisting this port in the security group, right? So instead of defining here from port in grace dot value, what we can do, we can define the iterator just after for each. Okay, so what we can do, we can define iterator and we don't have to put the iterator value under double quotes. Okay, so what we can do, we can write port, okay, and from here we can remove the in grace, so we can write port dot value. Okay, and we have to remove from here as well port dot value. So as you can see, now it looks good and easy readable, that anyone is coming to your project that can easily understand port dot value from its where it's fetching the port value from the variable, right? Whatever variable we have defined here and we have whatever port we have defined under the variable, right? So they can easily understand these ports are going to be whitelisted in our security group. Okay, so let's save this and let's run Terraform. So let's run Terraform apply quickly. So there is some issue, let me check that. What's that? Okay, duplicate provider configuration. Okay, so in main.tf we have also defined, so let's comment it and save this and save this file as well. Okay, so now let's run Terraform apply. To see what our Terraform configuration file is going to do. Okay, so let's wait for some more time as it's taking little bit more time. Okay, as you can see, it's refreshing the state of our Terraform or our security group. Okay, as we can see it here, AWS security group test refreshing state. Okay, and we have added here one more port, that is 5050. Okay, so it's also going to whitelist that port number. Okay, so our Terraform apply have been successfully completed, and if we go to the EC2 security group in the AWS and if we refresh this, as we can see it here, the 5050 port is already whitelisted with the following Terraform script. Okay, so this is all about Terraform iterator that we can use to make our Terraform script readable and like to represent the configuration in easy way and like easy to understand. Okay, that's why we use iterator in our Terraform configuration file. Okay, so that's it about this Terraform iterator. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.